Hello everyone. My name is Anika, and I just wanted to quickly put my thoughts out there concerning the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal judgment declared yesterday. And I think for me that there are 3 or 4, maybe 5 things that I thought were head scratchers in the whole of the judgment. Chief of which is that what we considered criminal offense from that was alleged against Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not, and that is something that legal scholars and luminaries have to really unpack for unlearned people such as myself. Why was there so much noise about it if it really was not a crime? How is it that only a handful of people really understand what a crime is? Secondly, that Abuja, by itself cannot determine if a presidential candidate wins the election or not. That Abuja is part of the federation, but is not a unique entity. It's not a state, but it's part of the federation. I may not have said that well, but that reveals the situation around what it really is. Yes, it's the federal capital. It is not so important that it alone can determine who wins or loses an election. Number 3, pre-election issues are pre-election issues. They can never be modeled up into post-election issues. So issues of candidacy, issues of whether a candidate is qualified or not, issues of if a candidate had double nominations, none of those matter. As far as the candidate made it to the ballot, the only thing that should be discussed is whether the person won the election with lawful votes or not. Number 4, I think, INEC is truly independent and can determine how it wants to do its work. So if INEC says, I want to transmit, and says, oh, sorry, I can't transmit anymore for some reasons, they are well within their rights to do so. And that is something that we cannot take for granted. Do you like it? Do you accept this? Let's know what you think. At the end of the day, law is law. You cannot be emotional about this. If you think that you won the election, come and prove it without reasonable doubt. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you, and have a great day.